Hey guys, welcome to Red's Projects. This episode is about the Navara. It is more of a catch-up video because unfortunately I had some hard drive issues and I lost two videos. One of them was edited, ready to be uploaded. The other one needed to be edited. And first video was me pulling the old VG30 out of this thing. Second video was installing the new VG30 and doing the first startup and final assembly and all that sort of stuff. So lost both those videos. A little bit bummed about it, but it's no big deal really. It's you've seen me pull motor in and out of this thing before, so it's no real big deal. But to bring you back up to speed, new VG30 is in, car is basically all reassembled. Startup, everything went pretty normal. No leaks or anything yet. I took it for a drive and probably a couple kilometers away from home, it started to make a very faint knocking, tapping sound, which has me all worried. So I drove it back and haven't done much with it for a week or two. This weekend I'm going to have some time to investigate a little bit. I'm going to start by draining the oil, have a look, make sure it's not full of glitter. Then just start, I can pull the sump off with the motor in the car. So that's probably going to be my first bet because I can look at bearings and everything and make sure the bottom end's good. I can take rock covers off, make sure it's not a lifter or something silly like that. And I've got a camera to look. I can look in the plug holes and look at the chamber and make sure nothing's gone silly in there. So yeah, hopefully this weekend I can work out what this noise is and fix it or do whatever I have to do because I really need this car driving again. The car I'm currently driving is on Club Rego, so I've only got so many days to drive that, and it's a little thing, and I really need a practical ute again. Go pick up stuff, pick up motors, pick up just junk or whatever. So really need this back on the road. So I'm hoping this weekend I can sort it out, or at least have a plan to sort it out. So that's it for this episode. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.